Hi guys, bonjour, Amore here. Welcome back to my channel. This morning as I was having my coffee, I got my summer Sezane order. It arrived extra fast, and I don't know if that's on the FedEx side, they did the delivery quickly, or maybe Sezane was trying to compensate for how slow their deliveries were during the archive sale. Either way, I'm so stoked, so excited. I'm gonna do a unboxing for you and show you how everything fits, because few of the summer items are still showing as coming soon, and by now you probably know, if you're a fan of the brand, that means that when the new items arrive there will be restocks. So it's possible that some of the things that I got that are currently showing as sold out will be soon available, and I want to show you like the fit and everything in case they're on your mind. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. It will mean so much to me. Okay, first off, I'm gonna start with my absolute favorite, which is this cardigan. Honestly, the cardigans I get from Suzanne are probably the items I wear the most. They're just perfect for the San Francisco climate. Here we need like a light layer like this all year round. Let me give you a little close-up of the beautiful pattern, the beautiful knit pattern that you have here. So yeah, as I said, this is great because the material is nice and warm, but then the little holes in the knit provide that very much needed airflow when you're wearing it during a summer month or like a shoulder month. I went with size extra small. I was a little worried. One of my friends, we were discussing what we're gonna get from the drop, and she was like, oh, it looks too short and you have a long torso, I don't know. But honestly, it's just the perfect length, this cardigan. I am tucking it no problem to my high-waisted jeans and high-waisted skirts. This is what I bought it to be worn with, so I am very happy with my usual size, extra small. I wouldn't recommend you guys sizing up. I know that's a question that comes up a lot, is sizing and do you size up or down. This one I would say do your usual size. It's not fitted, it's more like boxy going down, so it's, you know, the wool has some stretch in it. I don't see why you would want to size up unless you're going for a more baggy look. Maybe you're planning to wear the cardigan over like other knits, then yeah, size up. But if you're planning to wear it over a bra like I do, or maybe like a summer dress or a tank top or a very like thin short sleeve, then you don't need to size up. The color is very striking. It has so much presence. Really happy with it. Highly recommend it. My first swimsuit by Sezane. How gorgeous is this print? I went with size 34 European and size 2 American, which is my usual size. And unfortunately, I have to report that it's too small for me, and I kind of knew it straight off the bat because I have a long torso, and from any other brand, if I'm buying a swimsuit and they're not acknowledging that the fit is gonna work on a long torso, which some brands do, so if it's nothing mentioned on a long torso on the website, I usually size up. That's how you avoid, if you like me have a long torso, that's how you kind of compensate, you know, kind of like the cut. But I forgot because the drop of the collection is past midnight. I was so tired and it totally flew out of my head, and I got my usual size, and it is too tight. It makes like a wedgie, so I'm not showing it to you today on my body, but I will be looking for the size up because the back is so flattering with this crisscross strap, and the colors are so pretty that I'm really sad that I forgot to size up. Highly recommend it. It's beautiful. Sultan doesn't fit. Next up, I have the TIANNA shirt or chemise. I got my regular size of 34. It fits true to size. There is absolutely no surprises here. It's roomy, it's airy. This material, just when you're moving and it just caresses your skin. It's super soft. It's 98% silk. And it has 2% metallic fiber, which you can see it's kind of like this sparkly thing that's weaved into the pattern. The pattern is called Bali. I can see why. It does have like a little nod to the batik printing in Bali. However, That's usually done on cotton. Here we have silk. It feels really nice. It's so airy, so light. It's like wearing a feather. The silhouette is very feminine. I can see it being dressed up with a more formal pant. If you have to go to work or meetings, that could work. And then also you can dress it down with a more casual pant or a skirt and just kind of like have your vacations. This print was the most summer print in their entire summer collection, so that's why I grabbed this piece. It's not what I usually go for. I wouldn't say this is my vibe. However, I'm definitely considering keeping it because I really wanted it something that screams summer, and this color is exactly that. Okay, here we have the Will jacket, the iconic Will jacket, and extra small, which is my usual size. I really love the brown color. I have so many clothes I can wear it with, and it's been on my mind for some time. They have it on and off. Sometimes it sells out, then they restock it. Earlier this spring, when I was thinking about getting it, Sincerely Jules did a feature of her favorite Sezane products. This was one of them, and it sold out really quickly. But luckily, during the summer collection drop, they also released some of the old pieces restocks, and this was one of them. Really happy with the Will jacket. I've been seeing a lot of questions about the fit. Do you need to buy your usual size, or do you need to size up? So here's my advice. I've tried both extra small, which is my usual size, and I've tried the small, which is one size above. And to me, your usual size is great because it's not fitted jacket. It's gonna fit on your shoulders, but then it's a little bit of an A-line. So you don't really need bigger unless you wanna wear it with really thick, chunky sweaters. I think that's the only instance in which you would want to size up, because with a very chunky, thick wool sweater, the shoulders start getting a little bit tight. So if you size up, you have a little bit more room, but it's more like, it doesn't look bad. It looks more like the boyfriend roomier vibe. You can still roll up the sleeves and you can own it. Don't worry about it. I personally think for me, for my style and the way I dress, go with your usual size, or order both, see which one you love, and return the other size. I like it so much that I actually end up getting my boyfriend the men version of it. Let me show you. So it was my boyfriend's birthday just like 2 weeks ago. So I got him this Will jacket from October Editions. And October Editions is October Editions is the sister brand of Sezane. They have fantastic men clothing. It sells out quite quickly, just like Sezane, but highly recommend it. He loved it, and I'm so obsessed with the color. I wish they would do a woman version of it. So now we can do his and hers. And last but not least, I got the Xiao Amore t-shirt. I really needed some, kind of like a basic t-shirt to mix and match with other pieces that I have. And I find that this one goes really well with a lot of the floral prints that I have. It's extra small. It's definitely baggy. So if you have the option to size down and you like more fitted items, I would recommend you sizing down. For me, there is no option for sizing down because it's extra small. Sometimes I wish they would do like an extra small. I can definitely go for an extra small. But also, yeah, I highly recommend, if an item is sold out, for you to add it to your wish list, because I didn't know they've restocked this item. I was browsing the summer collection, and then underneath one of the summer collection items I saw this pop up because it was part of my wish list. So definitely add things to your wish list, and the website is smart enough to give you suggestions underneath items that you're browsing, because who checks their wish lists? I kind of like keep forgetting to check it, especially when there is a drop of a new collection, but one should definitely keep that in mind. Make a wish list, add your favorite items to it. Okay guys, so this was everything I got from Sezane's summer collection. Please let me know in the comments below which pieces were your favorite. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Let me know what you got. It always makes me so happy to have that conversation with you. I will be keeping my eye on Sezane's website because even though they say this was the complete summer collection, it's only the beginning of July, and I'm sure there will be a few more capsule wardrobes that they will release. I mean, even right now there are a few pieces on their website showing us coming soon, which means there will be a drop coming. So keep checking my channel. There will probably be more Sezane unboxing stuff this summer. Give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. It will mean the world to me. By the way, the shirt I'm wearing right now, I'll link it in the description box because it's gorgeous. It has so much detail and it absolutely reminds me of something that you will get on the Sezane website, but it's Madewell. So I have this one and this yellow floral print top that I absolutely adore. I'm gonna link both in this description box below, but there will also be a Madewell unboxing video coming later this week. So yet another reason to subscribe for my channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful week.